I mean, God, 319 times 2,000. That's more than 600k. 600 fucking thousand for a bag, black bag. Okay, let me add the end. So I think it's actually 310. Then plus the charges. I don't know what's used for development fee. So yep. So yeah, times 2,000. 319 with the details from even the bag itself. I mean, you can actually carry this like this. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I love welcome. If you're not subscriber, thank you very much for tuning back in. So apparently my mic wasn't on or working. I don't know what happened. But anyways, this is unboxing for my birthday. And by the way, this was the dress I wore on my birthday. So go check out my Instagram for my picture. I mean, that picture is doing super well already, and I appreciate every comment I got and every like I got. Anyways, guys, this is unboxing. Like I said, there are some luxury and non-luxury gifts as well as other gifts that my husband got for me. So first gifts he bought was this perfume from the perfume shop, and he shopped this from UK when it was coming. So I already unboxed this lyric, and this is among lyric. So it's for men actually, but I personally I love men perfumes, men scents. Maybe because it lasts long and it has this. I don't know how best okay made in UK as well. So it has this floral flavor that I love. Not floral, sorry. But I personally I love to mix it, and currently I'm using this Arab perfumes, Yara and all of that. So mixing this with it will literally is it just me? But I don't like this scent. It smells like forest or something. Oh, okay. Okay, it's actually coming together. But I think this perfume give you this lasting scent rather than quick. I don't know how best to explain it. But moving on to the next perfume.
Please package it, please. Because it smell, mad smell. Don't shout you can period down.
Now the next perfume is this Valentino Born in Roma Intense, and this is quite expensive than that other one. Oh, use this unique code Valentino and then join special rewards. Oh yeah. So that means I'll be getting reward whenever I go to the UK. Oh wow. Super lovely as well. Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. I love this one. This has this after taste. Maybe because I smelt it too much or too deep, but this actually smells like a unisex perfume. The packaging is giving girly perf, but it smells like unisex. So, anyways, moving on to our next unboxing. I don't think I'll be needing my glasses for the rest since I won't be reading anymore. So it got me a Valentino. Oh, sorry, Louis Vuitton. So funny enough, I already unboxed all these things before. So I mean, it's really not, you know. And this is in the size small. So I would have preferred large because maybe I love my teeth to be like a little bit big, not too overly tight. But you know. So the next one is Gucci, and they all came in the package. I love this Gucci. I'll be wearing this one pretty soon. By the way, I'll be wearing this on Thursday or Friday, and I'll be sure to leave the picture. If I'm not uploading by then of course I'll leave the picture somewhere on the screen. Or you can go to my Instagram to see my pictures. Now this is what this looks like. And like I said, I love my teeth to be big, and this is in the size. Size is not there. But this is big. This is big. This should be like XL. If that makes sense. So yeah. Now we have Bushy again. And this is like a shirt. Not like, sorry, this is a shirt actually. And this is in size 3XL. The details for me, I mean, that's every details in it. So I'll be wearing this for my CEO shoot. So I want to do like a CEO shoot, and I will definitely be wearing this because it's a shirt and the details and the fact that this is super strong. I mean, so genuine anti counterfeiting book. Okay, I see. Nice one. Oh wow. Okay. So I'm done with the clothes, and I don't even have shoes. But my sister-in-law gifted me this, and this is size 38. I use 37 by the way, so I'll be keeping this to maybe when my leg grows a little bit. But this is it. I don't know if this counts as birthday gifts, but this is Egypt's air tower from the plane. So asking to bring for me, which he actually did. So here is it. So I got me some biscuits, chocolates from Tesco. Yeah. So I don't know if this counts as well, like I said, but these are just chocolates and biscuits. Right. You got everybody anyways, so it has some Tesco biscuits and this is Tesco dark chocolates. Yeah, this is milk chocolates and this nice biscuits, coconut. Yeah, so like I said, I saved some of the best for the last. So part of the best, I got this, and it was shopped by my cousin, Jamestown Galleria. So I got this. They put everything in it. So it's wristwatch, and I got this Burberry wristwatch, which I liked, but my husband liked it more than I do. Oh wow, this is okay. Anyways, I got this as well. With this, apologies for the break in transition. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, especially my TikTok and my Instagram, to see the amazing pictures I'll be uploading there. Bye. So I got myself something, and I've actually wanted. I do own a diamond set for myself personally. The one I use for my wedding actually belongs to my husband, so I use this, and I mean it's not really mine, so I have to just do something for myself. Which when I tell people that I'm actually broke right now, like I don't even own, you know, they don't believe me. They'll be like, they like, more, I'm a businesswoman. I invest in my business, I do things. And two, I like to buy peace and keep to sell, go for a big batting. But you know that you can actually just sell and divert this money, you know. So, anyways, I got myself this. Yeah, so I have a tester video which I'll upload together with this, right? And I got myself a ring as well. Yeah, so it's just something that I've always wanted. And I mean, no, there's not like this actually looks super cute on me. Imagine stepping out to, you know, as a big girl now, sometimes you just need business. It's not all about chain and, you know, band or gold. I mean, I personally I love golds than diamonds because trust me. But when you own a diamond piece, there's no going back, and that is on period. So I got this case. Like I said, I already asked my mom to open it, so it's not really a full unboxing. Just open this to check what's inside. So this is like a case for wristwatches. Actually, how many wristwatches do I have? This was, I think, a year or two Valentine gifts from my man, and it's like a couple wristwatch. He has a big one. I have the small one. Then I have this piece, which obviously this is already okay. Yeah, this one has removed and it's clean already. So right, okay. Oh wow, this is nice. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, it comes in a set of 10. It's wristwatch box for if you have lot of wristwatches. Now currently I only own these two that I just got, this and my Apple wristwatch. Yeah. So my eyes is on Rolex. I actually wanted Rolex so bad. Last year I got my husband Rolex for his birthday, and since then I've liked it. I mean I've loved it, but the money, I'll make it share you for I'll have the money. That one is acting, I know. So anyway, I got this for myself and also for him as well, you know, just to keep our expensive collections before saving it, if that makes sense. So then this box will be for this one and my Apple Watch, if that makes sense. Then the expensive ones will be in here to keep in a safe, right? Now, like I said, I saved the best for the last, right? So I got me this bag. Guess how much it is? Of course, there's receipts for it. So unfortunately, they couldn't pack it in a box. I don't know, maybe that is how they do over there, or maybe because it's bringing it to Nigeria and for custom or whatever. I really do not know. But this is how they pack it. Yeah. So Valentino Mario Valentino Spa Okru. Original Valentino. This one will be whichever figure. So, anyways, this is how it came, like I said. Okay. That's the tag. It has the scanner. So don't play. Right. Oh, receipts. Okay, you actually got this at the airport. Okay, duty free. Okay, no wonder there's no this in there. So this is the invoice, and it says exchange rate 2000. Okay, so 32. Oh wow, oh wow, that's expensive. Let's do calculation. So total is 319. So we'll be doing 319.30. That's 319.30 times 2000. Oh wow, 338 600. 338. I mean 638. 638. Okay, I see you. This bag I won't carry it now. I mean obviously I will later carry it, but maybe I'll keep it till his birthday. 600k for a bag. Oh wow. I mean, what are you saying? Oh my, 1 million. Okay, Valentino. Èmi àti ẹ kódà. A máa bẹ̀ mí kí tó gbé ẹ lẹ̀. Okay. And the first that this is not even heavy and oh wow. Mini your tag game. I have to be walking around with the receipts. I will pull it up like this and change my wallpaper. My Instagram, no. Stop playing. Stop fucking playing. 31930. 31930. Like, are you joking? Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh no. I'm super happy. I mean, okay. So, anyways, guys, I know I'm dramatic. I know. Okay. So, anyways, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, especially my Instagram, because that is where I drop pictures. And like I said, I'll be wearing that Gucci. Okay, today is Sunday. Yeah, so I'm wearing it on Thursday or Friday for something that you guys want to see, and I'll be vlogging as well. And well, I have a lot of packing up to do, right? So anyways, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and while subscribing, turn on your notification bell because girl, you don't want to miss my next vlog. I want to do vlog now. I mean, I've not actually done vlogging, or rather I've done vlog, but I've not uploaded any on my channel, and that was because I really do not like it, so I was not really feeling it that much. But anyway, thank you very much for coming back, and if you are new here, hi loves, thank you very much for watching to this final part. I mean, it really means a lot to me. Thank you, and God bless you. Do have a nice day. Bye.